welcome back everybody to Ladybug Lane Soaps. This is Margie, your hostess for the mostest, and thank you so much for joining me today. All right, another Christmas project here. Welcome back to the cut, everybody. And so this mistletoe from Candle Science. This was rather interesting because when I used the little 1 ounce sample a couple of weeks ago, the batter behaved fairly nice. I mean, there was no acceleration. It was just a really nice fragrance, and I did not soap warm for either batch, but this one here, oh my gosh, as we'll see very shortly here, the fragrance really accelerated, and I could not for the life of me do the design that I was hoping. And as you can see, there is a air pocket, but no, I will try it again, because I bought two 16-ounce bottles. So I will try it again and maybe just have another strategy, because it really is a beautiful yeah, it's really a beautiful fragrance for Christmas or year round. So maybe I can just add the fragrance as I go. Yeah, so this was supposed to be a drop swirl, but it did not happen. But you know what? Like I say all the time, you know, life goes on. It's like there's always something that throws a wrench in, and you know, maybe I can. Yeah, see, that's kind of pretty. It just isn't exactly what I was thinking. Yeah, see? Oh no, there's a mouse hole. I wonder who's living in there. Hello. Oh my gosh, it looks like a cave in there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so these ones with the holes, I'll be probably, excuse me, selling these at a discount. So for those who do not mind, come on. Bars that have a little hole in them, send me a message. Come on, you. There we go. Yeah, I was thinking afterwards maybe I should not have even taken the spoon to it, just had left it, all those little spoon plops just as is. Come on. Hello. There we go. And then we have this one here. Okay, so we got, why doesn't that want to focus? Or aren't those little snowmen, snow people, whatever you want to call them? I think they're rather, come on. Hello, there you go. And then this last one here, I'll probably have that for a sample. So, all right, gang, thank you so much for sticking around to the end. And as always, I would appreciate a thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel. So, all right, everybody, have a good day. Bye-bye.